Traders shifting from USDT to USDC. USDC and USDT are both leasing stablecoins. They are nothing but cryptocurrencies that are pegged to a fiat currency, the US dollar. Stablecoins are used by investors to avoid price swings and currency fluctuations. Stablecoins are less volatile in nature as they maintain a fixed ratio of 1:1 to the dollar USD. While USDT is used more frequently for trading and payments, USDC is often described as a safer stablecoin since the center makes a greater effort to comply with audits and governmental regulation, and has more transparent, fully backed reserves. Elon Musk hints Twitter will integrate crypto payments if his takeover bid is successful. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has suggested integrating crypto payments into Twitter. "My goal would be to maximize the usefulness of the service," he told Twitter's employees in his first all-hands meeting with them.